Welcome to Inspire Soul's Words, your gateway to Stoic wisdom. If you found this video enlightening, please consider subscribing and clicking the like button to support the growth of Inspire Soul's Words. Have you ever heard the saying that you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with? In this video, we'll explore this concept from a Stoic perspective. We'll discuss the 7 types of individuals who can hinder your Stoic journey and why it's important to re-evaluate your relationships with them. Now, let's dive into the video, where we'll discuss the types of people to avoid. 1. The complainer, negative Nancy. We all have that one person in our lives, a friend, family member, or co-worker, who constantly finds fault in everything. Dealing with their perpetual negativity can be emotionally draining. Stoicism offers valuable insights into how to handle such individuals. Stoics believe in focusing on actionable solutions rather than dwelling on problems. When confronted with a complainer, you have several strategies to consider. First, limit your exposure to this person whenever possible. If that's not an option, mentally distance yourself from their complaints and steer the conversation toward solutions or more constructive topics. The complainer, often referred to as negative Nancy, is a type of individual who habitually finds fault in everything and constantly expresses negativity. Dealing with such a person can be emotionally draining. In Stoic philosophy, there is an emphasis on focusing on actionable solutions rather than dwelling on problems. When faced with a complainer, it's advisable to limit your exposure to them whenever possible. If avoidance is not an option, you can mentally distance yourself from their complaints and steer conversations toward solutions or more constructive topics. Stoicism teaches us the importance of guarding our mental peace and not allowing the chronic negativity of complainers to divert us from our path of resilience and virtue. 2. The drama magnet, chaos conductor. Drama magnets seem to be in a perpetual state of crisis, drawing you into their chaos. Their never-ending crises can infect your life, leading to conflicts you had no part in. Reflective listening and selectively making yourself unavailable can be effective strategies for dealing with drama magnets. The Stoic perspective reminds us to value our time and focus on the present moment. The drama magnet, also known as the chaos conductor, is an individual who seems to attract and create a constant state of crisis, conflict, or controversy in their life. Interacting with such a person can feel like navigating a ship through a storm, exhausting and perilous. The challenge with drama magnets is that their crises often become your own, and you can find yourself embroiled in conflicts that you had no initial part in. To deal with drama magnets, you can use strategies like reflective listening, selective unavailability, and maintaining a focus on the present moment, as advocated by Stoic philosophy. This helps to protect your inner tranquility and avoid getting entangled in their chaotic whirlpools. 3. The naysayer, skeptic critic. Naysayers are quick to criticize and doubt your plans and ideas. Asking them for advice or engaging in positive confrontation can be useful approaches. Remember the Stoic idea that we have 2 ears and 1 mouth, emphasizing the importance of listening and discerning valuable input from noise. The naysayer, often referred to as the skeptic critic, is an individual who tends to criticize and doubt plans and ideas. When dealing with naysayers, you can employ strategies like asking for their advice rather than simply sharing your aspirations or engaging in positive confrontation, challenging them to think of solutions.